Let's go ahead and do a quick refresher of our trig functions. So we got SOH CAH TOA, which is trig functions that help us to remember what sine, cosine, and tangent angle relationships actually are. So let's say we have a triangle and we have side 5, 4, 3. And we have two angles. We have angle X and we have angle Y. What we'll do is I'll think about a table. And we got angle X degrees and we got Y degrees. What is the sine of X, knowing that it's opposite over hypotenuse? We have angle X right here, and so the sine of X would be opposite over hypotenuse. For me, I always start with the hypotenuse on bottom, which my hypotenuse is 5. And my opposite is 4 for X. Now for angle Y, right here, the opposite is 3. So that's going to be 3 over 5. For cosine, my hypotenuse is always my hypotenuse. That's going to remain the same. For angle X, my adjacent is going to be 3, or my adjacent for Y is 4. What I notice is that the ratio of the sine of X is the cosine of Y. The sine of Y is the cosine of X. And then finally, for angle X, it's opposite over adjacent, so that would be 4 over 3. And then for angle Y, it's 3 over 4. They're just inverse. It's a reciprocal. The fraction flip. That's your trig basics in a nutshell.